riding my horse? It's because I use my body parts together. I use my hands and legs to make the horse move. I use my eyes to know where me and my horse are going. I use my ears to hear the sound of my horse's gallop. I use my mouth to talk to my horse. Hello, horse. I use my nose to smell my horse if she needs a bath. Bye-bye.